Python lists. There are certain things you can do with lists. These operations include indexing, slicing, adding, multiplying, and checking for membership in the list. In addition, Python has built-in functions for finding the length of a list and for finding its largest and smallest elements. Creating a list is as simple as putting different comma-separated values between brackets. List 1 is marketing, payroll, 2009 and 2010. The employee number is 101, 112, 203, 344, and 295. List 3 equals John, Barbara, Carl, and Doris. The syntax for accessing values in lists use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain the value available at that index. In this example, the first element of list 1 is displayed using the print statement. Then we will display elements 1 through 5 of the employee empno list. Here is shown the brackets and slices of the lists. Then you can display list 1, the 0 element of marketing, and slices 1 through 5 of the empno. You can update elements of lists by assigning the new value to the specific element. And you can add to elements in a list with the append method. In this example, element 2, which is payroll, is displayed and changed to merchandising. First, the list is identified, then element 2 is displayed. After that, element 2 is changed to merchandising. Then element 2 is redisplayed. The output from that code is displayed here. To delete a list element, use the del statement if the elements are known, or use the remove method if you do not know. Here, the del statement is used with list element 2. Then it's displayed preceded by the new list string literal. The output from the code is displayed here.